How to start a Shopify store. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to make your Shopify store. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're planning to subscribe to Shopify. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So here we are in the Shopify website and where we can now start creating our Shopify store. But before creating our Shopify store, we would first also need to add our first product. So to do that, just simply click on add product over here. Afterwards, click on add product again. And then just simply type in the name of your product right here. So I'll just name it as product A. Afterwards, just simply type in the description on what your product is all about. And then add images of your product right here. Choose the category of your product. So choose what kind of category your product will be. Set the price after that. Next is the quantity. You can set quantities right here if you want to, but I'll just leave it as blank. Afterwards, you can also set the shipping sizes right here, like the shipping size, like the box, and the product weight. Next is you can also add variants right here of your product. So let's say you're selling shirts, you can have different variants right here, like the sizes. So yeah. And at the top right here, you can set your product status as active, which means that this will be available on all your sales channels, draft or unlisted. So yeah, so once you're done, simply click on save. And then there you go, you have now created your first product. Moving on, let's now start customizing our store. So to do that, just go to sales channels over here, go to online store. Afterwards, there are different kinds of themes right here that you can use in making your Shopify store. So as an example, I'll choose this one over here, Saver. I'll just add that. And then there you go, it's now installing in our theme library, so just wait for that to finish. And then there you go, so once you're done, click on edit theme. And then from here, you can now start editing your store. So in here, you can modify the text right here, changing the menu, and a lot more. At the left side over here, you can add different sections. So you can add like a hero or banner section over here, collection section, forms, layout, and etc. So as an example, I'll add the collections section over here. So let's say I'll add a grid. There you go. And there you go, the grid has now been added. And then from here, you can choose which kind of items right here will be stored in this grid. So yeah, so you can also add other sections right here, like an email sign up if you want to. There you go, we now added an email sign up. You can also add sections right here on your header and your footer. So in your header, you can add the announcement bar, just like this. And then at the header, you can add announcement bar as well, or other stuff like an FAQ, an icons with text, and a lot more. So yeah, feel free to customize it to your liking. And then once you're done customizing your store, so just simply click on save. And then once you're done, just simply click on publish again. And then there you go, you now have your store. And then once you're done, you can preview your store. And then there you go, you now have your store online and for viewers to see. And then there you go, you're pretty much done on how to start your Shopify store. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to start your Shopify store. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.